Let me show you how to create this easy double exposure effect in Photoshop. Download the resource files in the description. Transform, scale, and reposition the subject. Reveal the second layer. Press Ctrl+Command+T to transform and scale it to cover the subject. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change its blend mode to lighten. Select the first layer. Go to Adjustment and choose Solid Color. Pick any color for now and click OK. Drag it beneath all the layers. You can choose to rename it any way that you want. Double-click the solid color thumbnail. With the eyedropper tool, select this color to blend these two colors. Click OK. Select the second layer. Create a mask. Choose the brush tool, make sure opacity is 100% and flow is set to around 30%. Increase the brush size. Make sure foreground color is set to black and clean excess areas. Reveal the base layer. Change its blend mode to multiply. Go to Adjustment and choose Curves. Drag this point to the left to do away with the background. Transform, scale, and reposition the bed. Select the first layer. Hold Ctrl, Shift and Alt plus E to merge all layers. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Follow this process. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can also check out on other videos from this channel.